Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening. Welcome back in. A busy day for us here across Kentucky as we've had multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms, some severe, some packing a bit of a punch, not quite getting the severe tag. As we head into this evening, we can say with a high level of confidence that the big widespread severe threat and the tornado threat is pretty much over. Now, we still have some showers and thunderstorms on the map, and they could become strong to severe still here this evening if they could pulse up, but the energy is quickly diminishing. The organization, this nice little line of heavy rain, it could be some thunder and lightning and some good rainmakers out of this. We've got plenty of gaps in the mix as well as we continue through it here into southeastern Kentucky. So it's really just tracking this final line as it comes through, and as it does so, then we're going to start to see us moving into the clear, and I'm expecting that to take place in the next couple of hours for us. Live radar showing us quite a bit. Quick recap on today. We do have 4 tornadoes confirmed: Anderson, Jessamine, Nelson, and Boyd County, with more surveys likely tomorrow and the next couple of days. Jessamine County right now, the strongest one at an EF1, 110 miles an hour. That was the wind gust rating on that. Anderson and Nelson County both at 90. We don't have a wind rating quite yet on the Boyd County tornado, but these are all preliminary still. They're confirmed that there was a tornado, but they've still got surveys to iron out. Just as a recap, throughout the day today, we saw that opportunity, and we had those tornadoes from this morning. Now, if we put the local storm reports on here and we turn the radar off, you can see plenty of other areas where trees were reported down. We had tornadoes to our north. We had some tornadic activity as well in the Louisville area, south of Cincinnati. There was some funnels and possibly some tornadoes. It was super busy across the board. Let's get into what we're expecting here the rest of the way. We do have a rainfall amounts pretty high in some spots, over 2 inches over the past 24 hours, including this morning's round, and there is still a flood watch in play for us in just a couple of our counties. So as we turn into tonight and we watch storms continue to roll in, these areas here from Estill and Lee all the way up through Rowan, Morgan, Fleming counties, and to further to the north and east has a chance to see a couple of potential flash flooding spots. But the heavier thunderstorm activity, as you saw, is starting to wane down and move to the southeast. Our setup now as we look ahead is going to look like this. The low is going to hit the spin cycle and it's going to stall out over the Great Lakes. The cold front moves out and it brings us the potential for some rain showers, possibly some flakes. That's going to be the next big thing as we start to roll into our day tomorrow. Tonight, here's where the rest of the activity goes. Watch as we put this into play. Those storms continue to move through. 11:30, still plenty of showers and storms. Again, this model been a little aggressive, but expecting the timing to be finally getting out of that by 4 a.m., at least of some of the heavier rain chances. The next big thing that comes your way, watch as it rolls through here. We're going to have these isolated chances for rain and maybe a thunderstorm here as we head into Wednesday. Not expecting any severe weather, but it could produce some very small hail as we go through our Wednesday evening. It continues to wrap with more gusty showers, and we're talking about a chance for that to change over to a mix of rain and snow for your Thursday morning commute. Lows drop down near freezing for us, and that just continues to bring us more of the wrapping, and the wrapping brings rain chances both Wednesday and Thursday. Neither day looks good. Cloudy, rainy, cold, and we're going to see wind speeds gusting at up to 20 to 30 to maybe even 40 miles an hour throughout the day tomorrow. So anticipate once this gets out of here, colder temperatures come in to round out the week. We're talking about another cool down behind that cold front that keeps highs in the 40s, lows down near freezing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Not looking very comfortable, but no severe weather in there, but a bit of a gloomy mess as we roll through it. The 7-day comes up for you here so you can see exactly how that plays out. By the time we get to the weekend, mid-50s come back. The sunshine does too. We start talking about 60s into the weekend Sunday, and then early next week for your solar eclipse, a slight chance for some rain and a mostly cloudy to overcast forecast in the works with some warmer temperatures as well.